My name is Pirbulescu Liviu Daniel, and today I will present the paper Size Effect in Fatigue, Life of Magnesium Alloy. The paper is structured in the following section. The paper begins with a brief description of the magnesium alloy in the introduction section. The second part of the paper presents the material and experimental method approach in the paper. The paper ends with results and conclusion. Magnesium alloy are frequently used in mechanical engineering application as aerospace, construction, automotive, medical device, electronics. These alloys are used because of their advantages. Lighter than aluminum, similar mechanical and thermal properties as aluminum alloy. A major disadvantage of magnesium, this is flammable. In automotive, magnesium alloy are used in application such transmission housing, engine blocks, steering wheel frames, and other. Structural defects are the most difficult to identify because they are found inside the material and require special attention. The structure of magnesium alloy has a high density of casting defects that can occur as cracks, voids, spots, and other. They can be identified by non-destructive testing using X-ray equipment and penetrating liquids. This paper analyzed experimentally the effect of size of the fatigue duration of the magnesium alloy, considering the defect resulting from casting and the quality of the surface resulting from cutting. The material analyzed in the paper was the magnesium alloy, having the chemical composition presented in table 2.1 and the mechanical properties in table 2.2. Fatigue tests were performed of the 100 kilonewton Walter by hydraulically operated machine. Two sets of circular specimens were tested, loading with traction with sinusoidal cycle having of degrees asymmetry of the cycle are 0.1 and the frequently f equal 5 Hz. The first set of test consisted of the specimen obtained by casting with an average diameter 6.2 millimeter, and the second set of tests consisted of specimen obtained by casting and the processed by cutting with an average diameter 8.0. A total of 7 specimens for each set were tested. The test results are shown in figure 3.1, an SN fatigue curve corresponding to each set of samples tested, excluding specimens that were broken or showed major casting defects. The tests were performed under similar conditions for the two sets of samples. The result indicate a major defect of section size on finite fatigue durability. The analysis of the fatigue curves in figure 3.1 show that the fatigue strength decreases at the diameter of the test piece increasing. For this reason, the dimension effect is analyzed by correlating to the two experimentally obtained fatigue curves. Fatigue resistance for finite lifetime can be represented by a power law similar to Basquin law. See equation 1. In this case, for two sets of sample tests, the equation of the fatigue curve are expressed by the given relation 2 and 3. For correlation, we consider two fatigue curves characterized by their equation 4 and 5. The correlation is defined by two factors. Correlation of the fatigue curves so that it has the same coefficient of fatigue, equation 6. Correlation of the fatigue curves so that it has the same slope, FB, equation 7. Knowing the correlation coefficient, a master curve can be obtained that include the dimensional effect and whose equation is equation 8. Analyzing the experimental result, we obtained the correlation factor of the fatigue resistance coefficient and respectively the correlation factor for the slope of the fatigue curves. The coefficient of resistance to fatigue is equation 10.205, and the factor of the slope of fatigue curves, FB, equation 2.480. In the fatigue curve for the specimen diameter 6.2 is considered as the reference curve, then the fatigue curve equation for the specimen set with the diameter 8.0 is obtained, equation 11. The broken surface for the specimen were analyzed by the Fay Inspect Scanning Electronic Microscope, SEM, for structural defects. The broken surface from 6.2 millimeter analyzed same is in figure 3.5. And the broken surface from 8.0 millimeter analyzed same figure 3.6. The material has a sponge structure with bud-like agglomeration and multiple voids. Conclusion: the fatigue life decrease by increasing the size of the test specimen. Magnesium alloy casting are fairly large dispersion of fatigue life due to casting defects. The dispersion of void in the main factor loading to the dispersion of the life of magnesium alloy IM68. Thank you for your attention.